So this is the true me, guys. Every morning I try to wake up and work out, as you know, and on my Instagram I've been trying to find the perfect sports bra for big boobs. I said it and I'll say it again, for big boobs. So here is a breakdown of some bras that I tried, and I'm gonna tell you what I thought. So I will say this, there was no bad bra used or abused, well maybe a little abused in this session. Okay, I'm wearing one, this was my last workout with this bra. I gave each one over 3 workouts and all different types of workouts, high impact, low impact, medium impact, walking around the house impact, you know what I'm saying? So the first one is like cute and has the 3 straps that all the big breasted girls want to wear but can't. And this is from Gap. And I gotta tell you, it's a great bra. How pretty is the back? It definitely is not good for high impact for me, but it was good for low impact like Pilates or spinning, but nothing like with a lot of bouncing, no running, no jumping. And it's great for around the house, and it's great if you want to double up. So that was my Gap situation. So next we have a bra from a company called Lively, and this is like this situation, and then it had 2 eyelets, and it was like that, and you could tighten the straps in the back. This is a very, very comfortable bra. If you like to sleep in bras, I would say this is your go-to. It's so soft. Like, it actually is one of the softest bras I've ever come in contact with, and I want to have pajamas like this. Oh, sorry. So comfortable. This is definitely not good for impact of any sort. It is more of a bra that I wear like on my vacations or in the house at night when I want to relax and take everything off and put on my pajamas. I would wear this underneath as not to scare anyone or knock over any glass vases. You dig? So this is the perfect house bra for me, and the perfect, like, if you go on vacation, you want to be comfortable, but you don't want to scare people or give any black eyes out, swing. This is your winner. Lively. Also super comfortable. So I would imagine if you don't have very big boobs, this would probably be your most favorite bra you've ever had. Next, we're gonna get into, okay, so then there's this Goldsheep bra. As you guys know, I'm wearing Goldsheep. All I do is work out in Goldsheep stuff. I'm obsessed with it. This is the cutest bra, and if I was a skinny mini, this would be like, I'd wear this to like the supermarket with like, I would wear this and like shop and be like, oh my God, where's the corn? Excuse me, which aisle is flour in? Meow, meow, meow. But that's not gonna happen. So this is another one of those bras that you can wear around the house. I used to wear this over another bra just so this was cute. It's just a standard, you know, spandex bra, and it's just cute, but it did not hold the puppies in, but it's just pretty. But I do wear everything else is Goldsheep, and it holds everything up in it. Makes me look like I have, you know, killer bod, baby. So now we have, this is one of the bigger bras that I was trying out. It's called a Loom bra. It has a mesh back as to give your, you know, a little breathing room in the back. Straps are really firm and really great, and you can actually make them bigger or smaller by hooking, just an easy hook. You take this and hook it here, and then you zip the bra up like this, and then you have all this padding to hold anything from jumping and stuff like that, and then you have this, which makes it a little sexier and a little breathable. So what's great about this is if you're sweating a lot, it's got so much breathing room, and this bra was actually really great. This is a size 3, and I felt like sometimes my boobs on the top would come out a little bit, but it was very good for impact, and it did really well for jumping and stuff. When I went on my run, I wasn't as tight as I could have been, so that might have been an issue, but I did really enjoy this bra, and I thought it was great. I just liked how everything was so breathable, and it felt like really light and delicious on. Next we have, I finished another workout in this. This bra is from Athleta, and it actually chafed on my sides when I did the 10-mile run, but I've been trying to give it another whirl because everyone was like, it's a great bra. And it is a great bra. And today I did some jumping. I ran in it for a shorter amount of time. So this is definitely not your go-to if you're gonna be running for a really long amount of time, but good for, like, I did like 3 miles, and that was fine. And for some people that's fine. And I washed it and the pads didn't get out all funky, which was good. It is a little low cut. So like this kind of hangs out. So you gotta kind of like tuck your boob in and then tuck your side boob in. So then I was trying to get like on the cheap, and I was like, oh, I'll just wear a couple sports bras that are like inexpensive on Amazon. So I ordered Fruit of the Loom. I got like 700 bras for $25. It was awesome. They're like this. I got black, I got white, and I got gray, and they're super cute, but again, totally worthless and great for just like walking around the house, and very Fruit of the Loomy, but comfortable, but not happening. So here's my runner-up. This is the Shefit Luxe. Don't be alarmed by what's going on here. So how this works is you put it on like this, like strap and then strap, right? The back is Velcro, so you can make it as tight as you want it to be. So this is the back, and you would just, I would do this part last actually, because you can just make it as tight as you want it to be. And then the straps are similar. You can tighten the straps this way, so that's great. This is actually still wet because I wore it yesterday and I haven't washed it yet, and you should try to wash them. I hand wash them as like just to like get it not dirty and stuff. Don't mind the plane, we're shooting and this is real life. Then what I really liked about it is on the bottom where you would have your zipper. So you zip it, okay, and so you zip it, and the bottom, to protect you from the metal, has this little like flap, so you don't have the metal against your body, and then the top has the same thing, which I thought was like super considerate. It's really great for everything, impact, long runs, everything. The only thing that I had a problem with was when I washed it, the internal cups, which you could take out, you know, flop around, and so I had to get them. There's an area to go in right down here, right here, and then you can move around the padding. So that was the only negative, but besides that, this was fantastic and would be my runner-up. So this is my grand finale winner. It's the Enelle bra, and it goes up to a bust measurement between 32 and a 60 back. So I feel like that covers a lot of women. I was wearing the 36 to 39, which is a size 1, and it goes up, so it starts at 00, 0, and then 1 through 8. It comes in a lot of colors and stuff, which most bras do. The way that you secure it is through, it seems a little like scary because you're like, wait, why are there so many? There's like a million eyelets. So what I actually did was put it on, and like I got it to like here, and I'm like, ugh. And then again, I don't think I'm putting this on the way that they tell you to, but who has time for directions? I'm just like trying to be realistic about this, and this is how I would put on a bra. So there's a lot. There's actually 2, 4, 6, 8, I lost count, maybe 11 or 12 eyelets. So I would put it on like this, and I'd get it to like here, and I'd be like, ugh. And then you have to do the scoop pull, and then it just really fit in everything really well. Somebody's mowing their lawn, but that's cool, whatever. It just goes with our video. Everything just fit in really well, and it was great for running long distance. I did another 10-mile run in this, and I did not chafe, and it was just fantastic. I just have to say, like, I'm so obsessed with this line. If you have really big boobs and you just want to get your bang for your buck, I say you go get an Enelle bra. I'm like hooked on them now, and I'm obsessed. So the other thing that I wanted to say that goes hand in hand, this is a brand. I met this girl in New York. She's like an influencer. She has her own Instagram, and then she came out with this brand called Megababe, and I love the packaging. And I have the anti-chafe stick, and I have the bust dust, and I also have the deodorant. The deodorant is amazing. It's all natural. The thigh rescue is what you would put for chafing, like on your inner thighs. I even put it here and here, anywhere you would chafe. And then the dust bust is like genius. You just spray it underneath your bust, and it creates a layer of dryness because we all sweat under there. I think this just goes in hand in hand. I think this just goes hand in hand with finding the perfect sports bra. So I just wanted to give a shout out to Megababe and say I love you, and shout out to all these bras because they all do serve some sort of purpose, but my #1 bra is the Enelle, and I hope that was a good test for you guys. I'm really grateful for you guys helping me on that journey, and I hope you enjoyed the test, and I have more fun things coming your way. Comment below, tell me what you want to see, subscribe, and have a wonderful week. A bounce-free week.